Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the tutorial series on database management system. Today we are going to discuss about the data models in DBMS. Okay. What is data model and what are the different types of data models in database management system? Let us go to the class. What is data model? Okay. When we are going to design anything, we first come up with the model. For example, you are going to build your future home. So you start with how many bedrooms and bathrooms the home will have. You have only that ideas. Okay. So you contacted an architect to design the home from a more structured perspective. So he knows more details rather than you. Uh, Actual room sizes, how the home will be wired, where the plumbing fixtures will be placed. All details are decided by him. Then you hire a contractor to build the home. So there are many pupils involved when we are going to make a home. They have different knowledge also. Like that, when we are designing anything, there is a model behind it. So here, what is meant by data model? This data model is a collection of concepts that define the logical design and structure of a database. How the database design, how the structure of a database looks like. These are defined by database model. So, data model is a collection of concepts used to describe the structure of a database which provide the necessary means to achieve the abstraction. Abstraction means to provide some important details and also hide some other details. Okay. So, data model define the logical design and structure of a database. How the data will be stored, accessed and updated in a database management system. What is structure of a database? Structure of a database means that what the data types, relationship and constraints. So, I will explain one more. Data model is a collection of concepts used to describe the structure of a database. The structure of a database means that hold the data types, relationship and constraint. So, simply it means the logical design and structure of a database defined by the database model. Structure of a database means data contained in the database, relationship between data items and the constraints on the data. The data means the data related to entities. For examples, student database, we are storing students data, mark of a student, name of a student, all data related to students are stored. So, the relationship between data items means there is a interaction among two or more entities. For example, student is one entity and lectures is another entity. Then there is a relationship between them. Okay. Students are supervised by lectures and lectures teach the courses. These are also defined by data model. The constraints on data means there is some restrictions applying on the data. For example, student roll number has exactly 8 digits. Subject has 4 or 6 units of credit only. Okay. So, this data model that define all this data contained in the database, the relationship between data items, constraints on the data, all these are defined by data model. The three types of data model are: first one, high level or conceptual data model. Second one, relational or representational data model. Third one, physical or low level data model. These are the three different types of data model. First one, high level or conceptual data model. Second one, representational or implementational data model. Third one, physical or low level data model. Okay, I will explain these three types. First one, high level or conceptual data model. High level or conceptual data model is user level data model. It provides the concept that are close to the way that many users perceive data. That is, this data model is closely related to the users and or users view. Okay, user know just how the plan is look like. For example, when we are going to make a home, I just understand external plan. I don't know all other details. Like that, in user level data model, it provides a concept that are close to the way that many users perceive data. Entity relationship data model is example for this. Entity relationship that model is explained later detail. Okay. Entity relationship model is example for this. What is meant by entity? Entity is actually a real world object or concept to be presented in database. Real world object, entity, attribute, relationship. These are the main points. Entity is a real world object that is distinguished from other object. Okay. For example, student is a entity. Then student name, student mark. These are the attributes of that entity. Okay. So attribute is the property of the entity. And the relationship represent interaction among entities. Okay. Relationship means, for example, there is a relationship among student and lecturer entities. So, high level or conceptual data model is user level data model. It provides a concept that are close to the way that many users perceive data. Entity relationship data model is example for high level or conceptual data model. Entity means real world object or concept that is distinguished from the other object. An attribute is the property of an entity. Relationship is the interaction among entities. When we consider a student database, student is an entity and the name of a student and mark of a student, these are the attribute or some property of that entity. And the relationship means there is some interaction or association among two entities. For example, there is a student entity, there is a lecturer entity. There is some relationship which goes studied by lecturer. Okay. And the next type of model is representation data model. Representation or implementational data model. It is between high level and low level data model. It provides the concept that may be understood by end user but that are not too far removed from the way data is organized by within the computer. Okay. So some details understood by end user. Some details are hiding. So in a representational or implementational data model, it hides some details how data stored but can be implemented directly. Record-based models like relational data model, network data model, hierarchical data model, these are examples for this. Okay, so the examples for representational data model is relational data model, hierarchical data model, network data model. These are the examples for representational data model. So, entity relationship data model is example for high level or conceptual data model. Record based data model, that is relational data model, network data model, hierarchical data model. These are the example for representational or implementational data model. We will study detail all different types of model. Okay. Third is low level or physical data model. It describes the details of how data stored in the computer model. So it is only for computer specialists, not for end user. To provide how data stored in the computer, that is physical storage of data and record formats, record ordering and access path used for efficient search of record. So these are described in this low level or physical data model. These are the three levels of data model. I will explain one more. Data model is a collection of concepts used to describe database structure. Database structure means data types, constraints and the relationship among those data. Okay. Data types means the name of a name of a data. For example, student is a data, then the name of a student. These are the data type. Data type. For example, the name is a string value. That is the data type. Okay, and the relationship among those data. And constraints among those data. Constraints mean there are some restrictions applied on this data. For example, the roll number is a 8-digit number, and the relationship means, for example, student is a one entity, then teacher is another entity. There is some relationship among those entities. So these are expressed by data model. Based on this concept, there are 3 types of data model: physical or low level data model, representational or implementational data model, high level or conceptual data model. In a high level or conceptual data model, it provides a concept that are close to the user views. So it is known as a user view related data model. Entity relationship data model is example for this. Okay. Entity means a real world object that is distinguished from other object, and attribute is the property of an entity. So relationship or association is an interaction among those entities. So this concept provided in the high level or conceptual data model. Entity relationship model is an example for this. Okay. Then representation or implementational data model, it provides the concept that is understood by the user and also hide some details. How the data stored in the computer, these details are hidden. Record-based data models are example for it. Record-based data models data stored in the form of records. For example, hierarchical data model, relational data model, network data model. These are the example for the representational or implementational data model. In a relational data model, data stored in the form of relations. Okay, we will explain later all this model in detail. In third type, low level or physical data model, here data stored in the computer model. How data stored in the computer model? So it is used for computer specialists, not for end users. Okay, so these are the 3 levels of data model. In the next video, we will explain entity relationship data model, hierarchical data model, network data model, so and relational data model. There are different types of data model. We will explain next video in detail. Okay.